Hi there, I'm Ange, and this is my review of this pet fountain. I want to thank the brand for sending it. I'm just going to unplug it so that it will stop, and I'm just going to show you how it goes together, because it's a little confusing for me. Just let that water drain out. It comes with this part separate. This is the pump and little suction cups. And it's really important that you soak this little sponge for 5 minutes in a dish of water. So I had put those just in the water. And then a little bit tricky to get out, right on the bottom. So this came separate, and that needs to be soaked. And I've already pre-done this. So after 5 minutes, this goes back in there. Close that. Put the sponge back in there. Press that onto the bottom, make sure it's all nice and snug. And then the cord just comes up through that little opening right there. And then it just presses in like that. And then when we plug it in, USB, it starts. It's got this nice little window here that shows you the level of water, and it's got a LED light in it. It makes absolutely no sound. You can't hear a thing. And one of its nice features is that the filter is right under the lid or the tray, which means that any water is being filtered before it even reaches the bottom. So if there happened to be any sediment in there or hair or anything that got in there, the filter is not sitting in that. And a lot of fountains that is the case, but this one is near the surface. They say to change the filter every 3 weeks, and the pack of filters should last you about 4 months. This holds 2.5 liters, which is a lot. That should last your cat about a week. So if you're going away, that's really nice to not even have to think about the water. This has a carbon filter. It has an ion exchange filter, which is similar to what's in a water softener, so it's filtering out heavy metals. So not only is your cat getting the running water that so many cats like, but it's also getting filtered water. So it's a great little system, nice and compact. Because it's got this lip around it, it doesn't splash a lot, doesn't splash out on the floor. However, I would still recommend putting it on a mat of some sort or a little tray. And this part can be put in the dishwasher every once in a while just to freshen it up. So I hope that helps. Great little product. Have a great day.